Hello student, in our today's previous video, we have already solved our activity number 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now our next activity number is activity number 5. Okay. Now when I write number 4, okay, then tell me which number comes on the left side of 4 and which number comes on the right side of 4. Tell me which number comes on left side of 4? 3. Okay. When we subtract 1 to the given number, then we get left side of number. When we add 1 to the given number, then we get right side of number. That means 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Okay. That means 3 is the just before number of 4 and 5 is the just after number of 4. Okay. Now your topic is, and 4 is which type number? 4 is between of 3 and 5. 4 क्या है? दोनों नंबर्स के बीच का नंबर है. Therefore, our between number is 4 and before number is which number comes just before 4? 3 and which number comes just after 5. Okay? That means our topic is before, between, between and after. Okay. Now your exercise is before, between and after. Okay. Now your first question is dash 5, 6. You have 5 and 6 is given and first number is not given. In second you have given 1, 2 and dash. And last number, third you solve by yourself, and fourth number is you have given some numbers like this: 1, 4, 2, 8, 5. Okay. Now your first number question is which number comes just before 5. You have given 5 and 6. Now tell me which number comes just before 5. For just before 5 means you subtract 1 to the given number 5. Okay. Like this. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. That means 4 is the number just before 5. Is it clear? Now in second number you have given which number comes just after 2. You have given 1 and 2. Tell me which number comes just after 2. For just after 2 you add 1 to the given number. That means you add 1 to 2. Like this. 2 plus 1 is what? 2 plus 1 is 3. Now write here 3. Okay. For just before you subtract 1 and for just after you add 1. Okay. Now next third number. What comes in between 7 and 9? In 7 and 9, that means after number you write after number of 7. Okay. That means what number comes after 7? 8. Okay. Now you write 8. Now next question number 4 is circle all the numbers which comes after 3. You have given some numbers. Okay. Now you circle numbers comes just after 3. That means 3 के बाद जो numbers आते हैं उन पे आपको circle करना है all numbers. Then 4 is number just after 3, 5 and 8. Okay. Now circle number 4, 5 and 8. these numbers comes just after 3. Okay, now 5 number you solve by yourself just before 7. That means numbers less than 7. Which number comes less than 7, you circle number. Okay, now next you have given ascending and descending order. For ascending order, what is mean of ascending order? Ascending order means what? Tell me. Ascending means when we arrange our numbers in smallest to greatest form, then we said ascending order. Okay, when we arrange our number in smallest to greatest form, then we say ascending order. And when we write our numbers in greatest to smallest form, then we say descending order. Okay, now for example, let you have given some numbers 9, 8, 6, 11, 0. Okay, then you arrange your number in ascending order. For you have given some numbers. If you arrange your number in ascending order, then you start your number from which number? 0. Okay, now we start our number from 0. After 0, which number comes? 1 is not here, 2 is not here, 3 is not here, 4 is not here, 5 is not here, 6 is present. So write 6. Okay, then after 6, 7 is not here, 8 is here, so write 8. Then write 9, then 10 is not here, then write 11. Okay, this is ascending order. This is ascending order. Okay, when we arrange our number in greatest to smallest form like this, which number is greater? 11. Then before 11, which number comes? 10 is not here, 9. That means you arrange your number in backward form. Okay, greatest to smallest form. Then 9, 8, 7 is not here, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is not present. So last number is 0. This is your descending order. This ascending order. This is ascending order and this is descending order. Okay. Now you have given some numbers in your question number 1. In first number you have given 1, 2, dash, 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 7, dash, dash. And your question is write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means you write your number from smallest to greatest form. Okay. Now you have given 1, 2. Then after 3 which after 2 which number comes? 3. After 3 which number comes? 4. After 4, 5. After 5, 6. After 6, 7 is given. After 7, 8. And after 8, 9. Okay. Now this is your answer. Now second part you solve by yourself. Write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means you arrange your number in backward form. That means greatest to smallest form. Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now next. Open your page number 26. This is your review exercise. Review exercise means what? You have given some questions. Okay. Now these questions are based on your lesson number 2. Is it clear? Now your first number is oral. What comes just after 3? 3 के बाद क्या आता है वो राइट करेंगे. Which is greater 5 or 2? Which number is greater 5 or 2? 5. So write 5. Okay. Now which number comes just after 7? 7 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है वो राइट करेंगे. Okay. Now this is your homework. Question number 1 is count and write the number and number name. Firstly, you have given some objects in your picture. Now you count your picture, then write number and their spelling. That means number name. Okay. Second number, use greater than, less than or equal to. When left side number is greater, then you use greater than side. When left side number is small, then you use smaller than size. When both numbers are equal, then you use equal to. Okay. Now 3, write in ascending order. You have given some numbers 9, 3, 5, 4. You arrange your number ascending order means what? Smallest to greatest form. You arrange your number in smallest to greatest form. Next, descending order. You arrange your number in greatest to smallest form. Okay. Now number 5, circle the largest number. You have given some numbers. When circle the largest number means what? You circle greater number. जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर है उस पे आपको सर्कल करना है. एंड टिक द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. जो नंबर सबसे छोटा है उस पे आपको टिक लगा देना है. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट, यू सॉल्व योर पेज नंबर 26 in your homework. That means you solve page number 26 in book by yourself, and I will send your PDF and match your answer. Okay. Thank you.